on, straight land on your dome and get your mangy ass on. Back to the kitty, cause she's kinda pretty. I can't stop looking at her face. Me and Cat Mama rolled into the distant fog. Little did she know I'm a nasty dog. Yeah.